My dear students, welcome to online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject. Chapter number 8, Human Dignity. First paragraph. Gandhiji was a prophet of human dignity and he never tolerated human right violations. Even in hostile condition, he refused to accept insults that were hurled at himself or any other human being. We see many examples in his life which prove his commitment to human dignity and equality. So, my dear students, in this paragraph it is said Gandhiji was a prophet of human dignity. He was giving too much importance to human dignity. We have to respect human being. We cannot insult at all to human being. And many more examples are there for human being and equality that is given in this chapter. Second paragraph. In South Africa, we see Gandhiji getting more convinced about human dignity and equality through some of the hardest experiences of his life. When he reached Natal as a barrister to work for one Abdullah Seth, he realized that Indians were not held in much respect. People looked at him with a certain amount of curiosity, but what was in store for him in the court? Abdullah Seth took Gandhi to see the Durban court. There he introduced Gandhi to several people and seated him next to attorney. The magistrate kept staring at him and finally asked to take off his turban. Gandhiji refused to do so and left the court. This was the first act of preservation of human dignity by Gandhiji, and he did it with extraordinary courage and nobility. Through this act, he was not fighting for his dignity alone, but for thousands of Indians who were considered coolies by the locals, and these coolies were not allowed to wear turban on entering the court. Gandhiji's refusal to take off the turban gave him an unexpected advertisement in South Africa. So, my dear students, in this second paragraph, it is said, in South Africa, we know very well, Gandhiji was there, and there he was convinced more about human dignity and equality, because there he worked too much. He got hardest experience of his life there when he was working as a barrister as a Natal. One Abdullah Seth was there and he was giving respect, and when they were looking Indians, they were having curiosity. So once in a while Abdullah Seth took Gandhi to see Durban court. There Abdullah Seth introduced several people to Gandhi, and that time Magistrate was staring to him and said to him, please take off turban. Due to turban, people were getting respect, but Indian were not getting respect, so therefore it is said like that. Then Gandhiji refused, Gandhiji denied, and Gandhiji left the court. That was not fair. This is the first time Gandhiji made preservation of human dignity. And Gandhiji was having extraordinary courage and nobility for the human dignity, for the equality. And he was not doing for alone himself, but there many Indian coolies were there. And for them also, he was trying to work for respect. And everything happened in South Africa. Third paragraph. Another incident that helped Gandhi grow in his resolve to fight against the violations of human dignity and equality took place during a train journey from Durban. Abdullah Seth booked a first class ticket for Gandhi and he was traveling in the first class compartment. When the train reached Maritzburg, the capital of Natal, at about 9 p.m., a passenger came to the compartment and he looked Gandhi up and down. He saw that Gandhi was a colored man. He could not digest the idea of traveling with a colored man. He went out and came with some officials. The official asked Gandhiji to leave the compartment and go to the wine compartment. But Gandhi refused, telling that he had a valid ticket for first class journey. As Gandhi refused to get out voluntarily, they called a police constable who pushed Gandhi out along with his luggage. Gandhi still refused to go to the other compartment and the train steamed away. Later, Gandhi realized that this was not an isolated case. Indians traveling first or second class, he had to expect trouble from railway officials and while passengers. So, in this third paragraph also, one incident is given about the violations of human dignity and equality, and that was helpful for Gandhiji. Once in a while, in order to go to Durban, Abdullah Seth booked a first class ticket for Gandhi for traveling for the first class compartment. When the train reached Maritzburg, capital of Natal, at 9 o'clock, one passenger came in the compartment where Gandhi was there, and he saw Gandhi was a colored man. Then he did not like, he could not digest the idea of traveling with a colored man. Then he called some official. An official said to Gandhi, please leave the compartment and go to wine compartment. But Gandhiji refused. Why? Because he had a valid ticket for first class journey. So Gandhiji did not go, and for that purpose police called to push Gandhi, and it occurred also. With his luggage he was pushed out from that compartment, and Gandhiji still he was telling he had a valid ticket. And this incident was not an isolated case. There Indians traveling first or second class had to expect trouble from railway officials. Okay.